After many decades, God realized that the majority of souls on earth were corrupted and had strayed from the heavenly guidelines. Disappointed and angered by this, God decided to punish the souls on earth by changing the nature of the planet itself. As the state of nature deteriorated, the souls on earth became unhappier and found it difficult to adhere to the heavenly laws. This was because the human body is part of nature and is deeply connected to the earth. Thus, when nature is unhealthy, it affects the souls in a negative way. The souls pleaded with God to provide a pure and healthy environment so that they could become heavenly once again. However, God explained that this was not possible, as even a single corrupted soul could cause significant damage to nature. Therefore, it was the responsibility of each and every soul on earth to ensure that the planet remained pure and healthy. Many souls were upset by this decision, arguing that the actions of a few bad souls should not affect the good souls. However, God reminded them that every soul on earth was reaping the benefits of nature, and therefore it was their duty to teach the corrupted souls how to follow heavenly laws. After much discussion and contemplation, the souls agreed to God's decision and entered into the earth. They were now born into a world with a pure and beautiful nature, with minds free from corruption and filled with heavenly thoughts. As time passed, the souls remained honest and adhered to the heavenly laws, causing both themselves and nature to be happy. Each night, the human souls would marvel at the millions of stars in the sky and the beauty of all the planets visible from Earth. And so, the human souls on Earth continued to live in harmony with each other and with nature, always remembering their duty to keep the planet pure and heavenly.